I, Dr. M. Ampareen, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Council of States, House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Growing as a parliamentarian necessitates our participation in all debates brought before the House. Over and above my platform as a parliamentarian, I hope that I will be able to create bridges for the people of the state of Meghalaya to all Government of India offices. I will liaison, I will raise issues which are left pending in the state, and we believe that in our efforts to serve the people, we shall be able to put one after the other these pending issues. It is going to be a big challenge for me personally, but after having won 5 elections in my constituency, sat in the House at the Legislative Assembly, both in the Treasury bench as well as in the opposition, I believe that I have gained and garnered adequate experience which is unavailable in textbooks. First hand, I am aware of all these issues. How much will I be able to achieve? I do not know. But I know that having the backup of the Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers, both of them, Council of Cabinet Members, and the MDA, both our own NPP members as well as coalition members, I am sure that together this team will be strong. They will help me. This is something which MP in the past did not have. I have that as the advantage, and it clearly poises me in a very, very comfortable position. People of the state of one Shillong parliamentary seat are well conversant with the politics of parliamentary politics by now. And I feel I am blessed to be the chosen one to represent my party, woo the voters, not just with words, but I must supplement that with action. And my husband and I, my family, are mentally prepared for this. We go forward with one voice. Let the voice of a woman be heard. And this is going to be something very important for this elections. In our political careers, we have seen that there are no permanent positions both in parties nor in positions in the legislature or in the executive. I believe that having worked with few political parties who are fielding, if not directly themselves as candidates, but at least I have worked with them. I know the pulse, I know the mind, I know the modus operandi. I am familiar with their terms and their support. And because we come from a very close knit support system, I feel I will be advantaged in this service that I will give to the people and the fight that I will place for myself in the elections. I'm familiar with their terms and I will use that to my advantage.
Ma'am, do you agree that anti-incumbency is quite high against the NPP, and will this be a factor that will work against the NPP in this?
I think you need to put that in perspective. There is no anti-incumbency for the NPP as far as MP is concerned. You need to ask the anti-incumbency question to the concerned person who has been MP for I don't know how many terms. However, we as a political party are now way ahead in our service to the people. People of one Shillong parliamentary seat are familiar with governmental plans, proposals. We have a very specific blueprint that will take Meghalaya forward. And I reiterate, we have no incumbency in the MP elections. This is the first time that we are candidates in this election by ourselves. We hope that this will give us a clean sheet in the first instance. We'll come back for incumbencies after 5 years, and then we'll talk to you about the good things that we have
In
done.
that case, who do you
Your nomination papers, ma'am?
Yes, and I have now submitted my filing of nominations to the RO here at the DC's office. And today is a day where, again, with much excitement of my supporters and NPP supporters in general, across the state, across the one Shillong parliamentary constituency, and it is an important day for us where we willingly offer our candidatures as nominated official candidate of the NPP party in the 2024 Lok Sabha election. And I have completed my journey through 36 constituencies. I have covered over hundreds of kilometers in about 3.5 months before. Yesterday I was able to go to the last segment of my constituency. I feel satisfied that I am now familiar with what I need to do. I know that there is much expectation, but again, like we said, we are here to serve the people, and I will try my best to serve to the best of my capacity. I'm very fortunate that I have the National People's Party's entire team behind me. I'm happy that my family, my husband, my brothers, my sisters, my children are all by my side, and we will give this our best. We leave it in the hands of the people. Please vote for me. Please select me as the most eligible candidate from the menu of candidates that you have. And I hope that in this I shall be able to enter the next chapter of my political career.
Ma'am, what
Rivalry.
No, I mean, this is election, so that's all.
There, let
Political
us
rivalry.
let us put this again in the correct perspective. I am contesting this election on behalf of the NPP, the National People's Party. I will not talk about my rivals, nor will I consider them in a rivalry position. I will do my own thing. I will go forward and talk about the NPP's candidature and my own candidature. I will not discuss who's pitted against us. It doesn't really matter. I do my own thing. I give my own proposal before the people in my candidature, and to me, that is sufficient.
well, ma'am,